Baby, get back! Stay behind me!
Wait, he's not trying to hurt us?
He's trapped.
It's okay. We hear you.
What they thought was a monster was actually the ocean asking for help.
We need to set up the tent before dark.
That's right. We need to clean them.
That's correct, Tommy.
Don't go too far. It's very dangerous.
Don't worry, Mommy. I'm a professional beach explorer today.
Even a professional explorer needs someone to help open a juice box.
No! No! Don't touch it! I made it!
You dragged that thing all the way here?
Yeah, I did.
Wait, what was that? Mommy! Daddy! Come look at this! It's huge!
Whoa! Okay, that's not normal. I've never seen a shell like this before.
It's really beautiful.
Yes, it's truly dazzling.
Maybe it's magical. Why don't you listen?
Yes, Baractopestillation from Palking, yes! Okay, Mr. Shell. Tell me your secrets.
Help us! Please! We cannot breathe!
Daddy! Mommy! The shell is talking to me.
Sweetheart, it's probably just the wind moving through the shell weirdly.
Ginu? Did you hear that too?
It would be better if we went inside the harbor.
Mom, that seashell keeps making that sad sound.
It's okay, my dear.
There has to be a speaker or device hidden inside.
No, Daddy. It's not fake. I can feel it crying.
Where did you find that shell?
Sir, please don't come any closer.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you. My name is Captain Finn. The heart of the sea.
Wait, you actually know what this thing is?
Many years ago, Pearl Bay was famous for the rainbow reef. The coral there glowed with every color you could imagine.
What happened to it?
A terrible storm came. But the storm itself wasn't the real danger.
People poisoned the ocean long before that night. Oil spills,
Plastic waste.
chemicals dumped into the sea. The storm carried all of it straight into the reef.
After that night, the reef vanished. Most people believed it died forever. No, it's still alive somewhere. And somehow, that shell chose your family to find it.
Then we can't ignore it. If the reef is hurt, we should help. They're calling us again.
Okay, yeah. I'm done pretending this is normal.
Perhaps Finn was telling the truth.
Mom, they sound scared. I think they don't have much time left.
Okay, if we're going to do this, we have to do it together. No one is allowed to go alone.
Okay, nope. I really don't like that sound.
I don't think it's a monster. I think the ocean is trapped. Dad? Mom? Look! That's a turtle!
We will free it. That could why?
That's definitely the case. Go back to where you belong.
There it is. See? It's waiting for us.
It wants us to follow. Let's follow the turtle.
We should help it.
Is it possible that we and it share the same goal?
Let's play in the water a little. Mommy, Daddy, look! The reef is waking up. It's really waking up.
Wow, those colors are amazing!
The school of fish and the turtle family have returned.
Oh my god, Genu, he's even more beautiful than Captain Finn described.
We saved it.
Did you come back here to find me?
It's really cool and clean.
You don't sound scared anymore. You sound happy now.
It seems like everything has changed.
It's okay now.
Is it possible that they don't? I can't believe it's them, and they're amazing.
That's Captain Finn. You'll go out and meet him.
Rainbow Reef. After all these years, it finally came back.
You were right all along.
I never stopped believing. You really did it, little explorer. You gave the heart of the sea its breath back.
We helped together. Mommy, listen. It sounds happy now.
I think the reef finally feels safe again.
Yes, it's so peaceful.
I spent half my life thinking the Rainbow Reef was gone forever. But you listened when nobody else did.
Sometimes grown-ups get so busy that we stop noticing when nature is hurting.
We will always protect it.
She reminded us that the ocean has a voice too.
The ocean remembers kindness. When you heal nature, nature will return.
Look, they came back. They all came back. I feel so happy to be doing these things. Let's listen to what the sun and the sea are saying. You are a very important part of the ocean.